Okay, so this is one of the front rooms in the property, and inside this cupboard is where we got all of the electrics. Come on in, let's take a look inside what we got here. Right, it's a very old setup, dated, not much been done in terms of electrical improvements by the look of it in the last few years. So what we got here is that's the electric meter and the main supply cutout fuse, and that kind of splits into these multiple different old fuse boxes. This is one of the classic fuse boxes with a rotary main switch and the fuses inside. So that does some of the lighting, sockets and some of the kitchen stuff. We have another one up here, a little mini one, powered from this little isolator box here, and then another rewirable fuse box in there. So as you can see, there's like 2-3 fuse boxes everywhere, and it's all in a bit of a mess. So what my client wants to do really is to have a one long consumer unit and get all of these circuits into that, and then just keep them all nice and simple, nicely labeled up, make it easy. If something trips, they can just easily find it, turn it back on, reset it. So that's the plan. Now we're going to put the board up there, so some of the cables coming from the top will easily reach the new consumer unit, but the ones coming from underneath, especially the ones connecting to here, they're probably not going to be long enough to reach that fuse box. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll be using a consumer unit relocation box made by Whisker and Vago, and that would love me to extend my cables, add some new cable, bit of 2x2 trunking, and then have them all up in the same place. So that's the plan. I'm going to go and get my gear all set up, and let's get